Which Veda is a collection of melodies? A. ऋग्वेद, B. यजुर्वेद, C. सामवेद, D. अथर्ववेद। और इसका सही जवाब है C. सामवेद। इसको याद कैसे करें? साम मेलोडीज, MM, MM। Which Veda prescribes ritual for sacrifices? A. ऋग्वेद, B. यजुर्वेद, C. सामवेद, D. अथर्ववेद। एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज B. यजुर्वेद। और इसको याद करने का तरीका है यारी, यजुर्वेद रिचुअल्स। अथर्ववेद मेनली डील्स विद A. melodies, B. rituals, C. evil spirits and beliefs, D. war strategies। और इसका सही जवाब है C. evil spirits and beliefs। और इसको याद करने का तरीका है अथर्व इज पोजेस्ड बाय evil spirits, अथर्व इज पोजेस्ड बाय evil spirits। Aranyakas are meant for A. warriors, B. students and old people in forest, C. farmers, D. traders। And the correct answer is B. students and old people in forest। और इसको कैसे याद किया जाए? अरण्यका इस दो शब्दों से बना है, अरण्या एंड यका। अरण्या मीन्स फॉरेस्ट एंड ए का मतलब क्या होता है? ऑल्सो नोन एज, सो also known as forest, aranya also known as forest। How many Upanishads are there in total? A. 100, B. 101, C. 108, D. 110। and the correct answer is C. 108। Vedangas are how many in number? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7। and correct answer is C. 6। we'll do this in detail later on। The capital of Kuru people was A. Hastinapur, B. Ayodhya, C. Ujjain, D. Patliputra। and the right answer for this is A. Hastinapur। Later Vedic people called iron as A. Tamra, B. Krishnayas, C. Swarna, D. Rajat। and correct answer is B. Krishnayas। Which crop was not cultivated during later Vedic age? A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Cotton, D. Barley। and the right answer is C. Cotton। The most distinctive pottery of later Vedic period was A. black and red ware, B. red ware, C. painted grey ware, D. black slipped ware। और इसका सही जवाब है C. painted grey ware। Popular assemblies like Vidata in later Vedic age, A. became more powerful, B. disappeared, C. transformed into Sabha, D. none of these। और इसका सही जवाब है B. disappeared। Which sacrifice gave supreme power to the king? A. Ashwamedha, B. Rajasuya, C. Vajpaya, D. Agnihotra। and the correct answer is B. Rajasuya। Who were called Dvijas or twice born? A. only Brahmins, B. Brahmins, Kshatriyas and Vaishyas, C. Brahmins and Sudras, D. only Vaishyas। and the right answer for this is B. Brahmins, Kshatriyas and Vaishyas। The 4 stages of life, ashram life, included all except A. Brahmacharya, B. Grihastha, C. Sannyas, D. Bhikshuka। and the right answer is D. Bhikshuka। What was the fourth one? Vanprasth। Vanprasth was the fourth one। Marriage by capture is called A. Gandharv, B. Rakshas, C. Paisach, D. Ars। and the right answer for this is Rakshas। Which type of marriage was the girl given as Dakshina? In which type of marriage was the girl given as Dakshina? A. Brahma, B. Daiva, C. Ars, D. Gandharv। and right answer is B. Daiva। नाम में ही दैव है, देना। In later Vedic age, which god was considered as creator? A. Agni, B. Vishnu, C. Prajapati, D. Rudra। and the right answer is C. Prajapati। Rudra was considered as A. preserver, B. destroyer of gods and animals, C. creator, D. king of gods। and the correct answer is B. destroyer of gods and animals। Which god became associated with Sudras? A. Agni, B. Pushan, C. Indra, D. Rudra। and the correct answer is B. Pushan। Who was called Gogana? A. warrior, B. priest, C. a guest fed on cattle, D. A slave. And the correct answer is C. A guest fed on cattle. Upanishad mainly criticized A. Knowledge, B. Priestly rituals, C. Meditation, D. Kinship. And the right answer is B. Priestly rituals. Upanishad rituals में विश्वास नहीं रखते थे. Which text is called Vedant or end of Ved? A. Brahmana, B. Upanishad, C. Aranyaka, D. Samhita. और इसका सही जवाब है बी. उपनिषद. वेदों के जो सबसे हाईएस्ट ज्ञान की बात करें उनको उपनिषद कहते हैं. विच वेदांगा डील्स विथ फोनेटिक्स? ए. शिक्षा, बी. कल्प, सी. व्याकरण, डी. निरुक्त. एंड द राइट आंसर इज ए. शिक्षा. विच ट्राइब कंबाइंड विथ पुरुष टू फॉर्म कुरु पीपल? ए. यादवास, बी. भरतास, सी. पंचालास, डी. मत्स्यास. And the right answer is B. Bhartas. The later Vedic economy was primarily based on A. Hunting, B. Agriculture, C. Mining, D. Trading. And the right answer is B. Agriculture. Which mine supplied copper during later Vedic age? A. Kolar, B. Khetri, C. Hazaribagh, D. Raniganj. And the right answer is B. Khetri. Which two assemblies continued in later Vedic age? A. Sabha and Samiti, B. Vidhata and Sabha, C. Vidhata and Gana, D. Gana and Samiti. And the right answer is A. Sabha and Samiti. Vidhata completely destroyed. Who dominated the Sabha in later Vedic times? A. Common people, B. Priests and nobles, C. Women, D. Merchants. And the right answer is B. Priests and nobles. Which sacrifice involved a chariot race? A. Rajasuya, B. Vajpaya, C. Ashwamedha, D. Agnihotra. And the correct answer is B. Vajpaya. The officer responsible for collecting tax was A. Samiti, B. Sangrihitri, C. Gramini, D. Purohita. And the correct answer is B. Sangrihitri. The term Gotra literally means A. Family tree, B. Cowpen, C. Ancestor, D. Tribe. And the right answer is B. Cowpen. Which type of marriage involved mutual consent? A. Ars, B. Gandharv, C. Asur, D. Rakshas. और इसका सही जवाब है B. Gandharv. Which god was conceptualized as preserver in later Vedic age? A. Indra, B. Vishnu, C. Rudra, D. Pushan. And the right answer is B. Vishnu. Upanishads emphasized on A. Rituals, B. Meditation and self-knowledge, C. Warfare, D. Sacrifices. और इसका सही जवाब है B. Meditations and self-knowledge.